What's on that box?
Doughboy.
Do you think Doughboy's funny?
Yeah.
Are we gonna make cookies?
No.
We're gonna make cookies now? All right, well we need to get a tray. Where's the tray? A cookie sheet.
Magnet.
You need the magnet?
Oven.
It's over there on the counter, next to the oven.
Oven.
Look up on the counter. Do you want me to get it for you? Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Thanks.
Okay. Are you sure those are child-proof? You know what? Try in the drawer underneath the oven.
Okay.
The drawer under the oven.
Door.
Drawer, yeah. Drawer. Yep. You see a cookie sheet in there? Do you want me to hold those cookies for you? I'll hold that. Magnet. I'll hold the magnet. You found it. All right. Are we going to read the directions? You're going to read them? Okay. What does it say to do?
Okay. Oven. Bake them.
Turn on the oven and bake them. You're right. That's actually what it says. Okay. We're going to bake them, and we'll take a video of you when they're done. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.